Let me introduce you to the God who serve in our family.
Oh, really?
I never know say we get God.
I don't know.
Get up, wait till we get Agbo. Wait till we.
My Lord, where are you?
I don't understand. Mommy, no be Jesus be our Lord. You put Jesus for nylon.
You know, say Indians they always serve different animals.
Yeah.
Now why I bring snake? Make we serve.
You bring snake. Where the snake on this?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. Okay. Ah, blood.
Hello my people on a day, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So, like I always tell you guys, what you got to do for me is just to make sure to subscribe, you know, as long as you're watching my video, just subscribe. It's that easy. It's very easy to subscribe, share my video and tell me what you think about the video, you understand? So, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Hello, beautiful lady. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine.
Good, and
You look beautiful. Please give me the permission to tip your heart.
That's a nice line. You're free to tip my heart.
Look, I'm free. Madam, why are you inside us?
You say it.
Oh, wait.
What are these for?
Oh, it is so that in what talks. No be tell me say man tip your heart. Oh, it is so na pick up like I can drop.
Good.
Madam, I'm your guy harvester. I beg, come inside.
Alright, so on action, you are acting as his girlfriend. Do you get? You are her boyfriend. Do you understand? And you need one more person that will act as a rich guy. The person needs to look good. You know. You have somebody.
Wanna pour me water?
Wait, best way you for use to the accent. Whether I get somebody.
Crocro no dey this family. Where you carry this crocro from? See landlord.
Jesus.
The landlord say I travel go Syria alone. I beg.
Okay.
Syria alone. Emma go disgrace you now, don't worry.
Landlord.
Emma,
Good afternoon, sir.
are you there now?
Are they fine?
Where your papa?
My papa wants to travel go Syria alone.
Okay, go. How? Sabinus on the travel go outside country.
Yes, now. If you come, you go carry plenty money. Come, you go buy all this your house, buy your car.
You don't do that. The one we
Now
told
the
don't do.
development, oh, thank God, oh, so that if he come back, he go pay my rent. I can't find him, I don't they go. But wait, oh. And I just remember say my pikin also did Sierra Leone. You know the side of Sierra Leone where your papa did?
No call your papa, you call her accent.
Papa, who's not to see the travel go? I ask you.
Landlord, I'm back. Don't worry.
I tell you, don't come.
See me here.
So you mumu like this
Oh
and
my God.
this boy.
The more I don't take life, give me a bear. My neck they pain me. My neck they pain me. Look.
Look at that guy is holding his girlfriend. So romantic. Why can't you do the same?
God have mercy upon us. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Go Matk, mumu. This man no get sense. No get sense. What's going on here? Governor Amuneke, what do you want to do again for mocks? They share money. Bruh. This one a church. Release the money now. Even in mind, no let her release the money. They go meet everybody. Election not reach. They meet even herbalist.
Let's see the edit. Governor Amuneke is a true Pan-African. He indeed has shown it again. As he goes to worship with the Muslim community, not only that he worshiped with them, he broke fast with them and shared them with some currencies. He is indeed the man who he is from the Muslim community. On the other hand, he is also a Christian because his mother is a Christian. Because of that, he was seen worshiping with them passionately and dancing like David did. He's a man who respects the gospel of Christ. And not only that, he shared them money. He gave them gifts of millions upon millions. He's indeed the man who hears the cry of his people. And not only that, he remembers also that his ancestors came from a certain root. And to respect his ancestors is also paying homage. But for those who believe in African traditional religion, he was there worshipping with them also and sharing them the gift of currency. At this point, when the governor had exhausted his cash, Ezemo suggested they send him money in cryptocurrency. He advised the governor to download Favex app from the Play Store or App Store. And it was fast. He got his currency in just minutes. Favex is the best app to trade crypto and gift card. Very fast and reliable and very easy to use. He's the man for the job. He is the man who understands that he can dance with the Christians, dine with the Muslims, and also dine with the African traditionalists. In fact, his body is divided into three: half Muslim, half Christians, and half traditionalists.
Blood of God.
So now you want to marry my sister, Abi?
Yes, so I love her so much.
Which work you they do?
I'm a rapper and I also trade in cryptocurrencies.
Which company you they work for?
I trade with Malo Wallet.
Now they legit too.
They are the best. They are super secure. They are legit, and they are also fast in transactions. They buy and sell all kind of cryptos.
But before you come on, you go buy me lado.
Anything for my in-law now.
We're not trying to break my sister heart.
No, my cupcake is not like that.
Because if you do one, Bini boys, they will match you 2 seconds.
Them I feel like they are not the fear.
They come and go call my mama.
Oh yeah, now.
Babe,
You know him?
yes, that's my cupcake. He got me pregnant.
What?
Babe, I can explain.
Explain what?
Mommy, now the boy be this.
Cupcake?
Mommy, know him?
I shouted, Jesus.
Oh, God, you guys are alone in this house. Mommy, what's happening? Why are you guys disturbing? What's happening?
Cupcake? Papa, who you?
Your house is hot.
I don't understand.
Hold up.
Which have cupcake? Everybody call it cupcake.
The next time you try some sick shit like that with me again, I'ma stitch you up, motherfuckers. Let's go. Let's go.
Moto no gree start
Why you off it?
When I don't enter, no worry.
Agkaay, how far now? Long time. You don't remember
When you
me?
think you
I
are
don't
too
remember.
smart.
I don't know you.
Oh, no be you. Remind me your name again.
I be man.
Imam, my guy, for that. Oh, you don't tell. Long time, bro.
I don't know you.
Long time, guy. Oh, hug me, don't you? How you be now?
I did
You
fine.
don't do this area now.
This area I dey stay.
No wahala, we go link up now. Yeah, now we go link up. Idiot, I don't achieve him. Idiot, still say you wise, man. You are a bad boy. I mean, exactly.
You are a very bad boy. You want to make money.
Those bad market. Where my phone?
Not TV guys. Oh.
She say smart.
You are a bad boy.
I smart person.
Hey, wait.
My phone.
No be waiting they find with this. Me, I don't achieve this one. This one don't go with that.
If is your rice sweet?
You have a girl.
Yes, it's sweet.
Let me taste.
Is that why you are
Sure, you can.
It's sweet though.
Alright, very sweet, baby.
Which one is very sweet? You better than me.
Yeah.
Jesus, sweet.
What's up?
It's not sweeter than you. You are the sweetest of them all. You're even sweeter than stick sweet, baby.
If I was the one, will you love me, baby? Say the truth, I will know if you're lying.
Oh, my grandma, what have I done to myself? Babe, who the mosquito? You suck my blood. I will never date another person apart from you.
Oh yeah, wait. If I was not born, if I did not exist, if I was not brought into this universe, and
if you don't exist,
if
how will I know you? How will I know you? But the answer is no. Everything I want to ask me is no. So can I just enjoy my food?
So if I don't exist, that means you will not know me.
I will know you in my dream. I'm sorry, baby.
If I don't exist, you will not know me, babe.
Wait. What will I say wrong? What will I say right? Sorry, I will know you. I'm sorry, I will know you, baby girl. I just have a good time with our food, okay? Okay. You can take out of my chicken. Can I take out of yours?
Oh.
Game on, get your game on. No matter.
Babe, what's this? What's the meaning of this? You're liking Rubiro's pictures, right? Right? You don't like my own bonbon. It's Rubiro's bonbon that you like. Look at liked by Oluches. What's this?
But you like the picture also now. I even put it on your story.
I like the picture. I put it on my story. And does that mean you should put it on your story? You should like it.
I didn't put it on my story. I just like the. But you liked it.
Why would you like another woman's picture? Like, I'm the only woman you're meant to like. What kind of impression are you giving her that you like her? Because
when you like the picture also.
That's not an excuse. That's not an excuse. Like, you so look at, you can't even defend yourself. I like the picture also, and so. If I like the picture and so
this one a nagging girlfriend, so, you know we'll fling this one.
I'm the only woman you should be following. I'm the only woman that you should be liking her photos, her videos, her everything. Why are you liking another woman's pictures?
Oh, they struggle. Oh, my grandma told me on a banji. Why did you take my laptop?
Let's see how you like it. I'll seize your phone too. Maybe go upstairs. Let's see how you liking other women's pictures.
Mama tell her say she be Obanjo.
Why did I decide to have a girlfriend in land?
You better stay single.
I've just been single.
Stay single, man. Stay single.
Let's have it. Haha, blood of Jesus. Run, no. Look at my face.
Like I could have killed a lot of you.
Call you the Chris.
This evening you will die.
I start the job.
What be this? Are you serious? Come on, baby, let's have it.
Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus.
Hey! Greedy bastard.
No, make me best.
Continue.
You, they go now, they go.
Calm down. Enjoy your weekend.
Wow. That's my MC.
Men will embarrass you. And they will show you pepper. Now they can leave you because of ordinary big bomb. You will not wake up. Men that has come.
Babe, why are you crying? You get bad dream?
Who is for me?
For me. Babe, that's my mom.
Are you mad? Is there something wrong with you? Did you tell your mom to go and see you naked?
No. It's a family slang. It's an Indian word. It's not naked. It's naki.
Okay.
I'm half Indian.
You're half Indian.
My real name is Raju.
Oh, you're Raju.
I am Raju. Baby, sorry. That's my mom. Mommy. What the fuck? Candy. You the grace? Nah. Wait, the woman who I say me you bring. She not there. Now why I come? Now why you come? Yes, man. No worry. Your baby no notice.
Babe. Is that your mom?
Baby, is my mommy here? Babe, please, I beg. Babe, meet my mom. Namaste.
Namaste.
Mommy, meet my Bali. Oh, wow. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Isime.
Aww.
Wait, so your mom is an Indian?
Yes, I'm Afghan.
Please let me take a picture with you.
Okay. No, I don't take a picture.
No, the picture is going to
get a lot of likes.
Forget about likes. I've told you if you want to get likes, just go to Exo Booster. ExoBooster.com. You get likes, you get followers, you get everything you need for your social media account. ExoBooster.com. Just go to the website. You'll be fine.
In fact, let me introduce you to the God who serves in our family.
Oh, really?
I never know say you get God. I don't know. Get up, let me get up.
My Lord, where are you?
Mommy. No, be Jesus be our Lord. You put Jesus for lion.
You know, say Indians they always serve different animals.
Yeah.
Now why I bring snake? Make them serve.
You bring snake. Where the snake on this?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. Okay. Ah, brother. Mommy, please carry that snake if no me go punish you.
I no go feel.
You no go feel scared. No, you bring him.
I'm going to
Oh, my mommy, hey, I fall. I go punish cat.
Okay, why are you scared of the snake? Yeah, it's your God. Talk to it.
Oh, I forgot in family. You talk to the snake. Go.
Let's have it. It's okay.
Hey, what? Jesus. Angry God. Mommy now.
I'm done with this relationship.
I beg, you won't make me the last thing, I beg.
You can't even take care of me.
Women.
Nonsense, I'm done.
You cannot be done with me while you are still driving the car I bought for you. Alright, give me the car keys since you are done now.
Oh, you want to take the car keys? That means you pay for all the sex we have had.
I mean, even they here, they waste my time.
Thank you, my brother.
Sharp. Oh, you did this to me, right? After everything we have been through. Don't worry, I'll call the police on you.
And I used to buy the phone for her.
God go bless you, eh?
Babe! Babe, we can sort it out. Babe! Babe, now.
Brotherhood down at Siam. We are proud of you. Brotherhood is proud of you, man. But not be every girl be like that, too.
What is it, Sam? Are you not tired?
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Church advert in 2015.
Hallelujah!
Carry my pastor play first. Carry him play first. Carry my pastor play
So now like this, they will say they do advert in
I
2015.
power they this church. Now they argue. See the face behind the front now. See my pastor. Power they this church. See Anna. See I wanna hear from him now. See Alpha Baba. Alpha. As I just fall, my problem just solve. I just feel and say, my landlord when the whole rent just tell me make I leave the rent. This church. Papa, you don't believe that one enter. I dey tell you now, don't be anyhow church I dey go. Now what for you? Miracle. Now what for you? Carry and play first now. Now who send me gift? Now my pastor go deliver. Then my followers. Now who show love? Now my pastor go deliver. Carry and play first. When you post, tag us. No man. No man. No man. No man.
Jesus. Oh boy, are you trying to enter?
Jesus.
Babe.
All life from the night here with you.
Sugar. Please come give me some sugar.
What's going on now?
You just want to chill, but problem will find you coming for where is chilling spot.
It is in our play.
My God.
Bros, wait. Yeah, bro, no worry, relax, have fun, enjoy yourself, eh?
You go faint, though. You go faint. Body go tell you.
Bros, I think we are the. No worry, and later you go understand. For my ass.
Child!
ìyá ti fẹ́ fọ́ orí anybody. Ebi ti fẹ́ lu ayé wọn fọ́. Ebi ti yà wọ́n ní wèrè.
What you happen? I carry this to the drink.
Miss it. Don't finish the sugar. Police come and roll out. Let you go now. Rice.
One man begin.
Oh yeah, just don't worry.
Chicken off.
It's germs.
Huh?
This bad devil is eating it.
Hi.
Hey.
I don't understand. Devil has eaten it because you see fine guy.
Sufferness is too much. It will turn you to man woman.
Carry on.
It's germs.
Devil has eaten it.
Who goes see them at? Thunder fire you.
I know so many people they do, both women and guys.
Different types of secondary school teachers. For life.
Where are the kids asked to bring?
Hello, section ẹ̀pẹ̀ la wà báyìí. Ọmọ tó bá ta fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ má gbé.
God have mercy upon us. What's this? Eh? I told you to bring it, you're bringing me to the. Are you stupid? Eh? Come aside. Come aside.
All of us that went to government school, government secondary school, I know you can actually relate. Right?
What's this? You want to bring it and you to Frakara? The game your mom is doing to Frakara. Come aside.
During our time, there was no whiteboard. It was blackboard. Blackboard.
Get out! Yes, where's your kid?
That's one teacher that sleeps throughout the exam. Them day now.
Hey.
What is this crash? Now mess this man, the mess.
Sit down. That's
one teacher that likes using other teachers' period. You get them on plenty during our time.
Behind the syllabus. We are really lacking behind the syllabus. I'm not happy. After this class, what do you have? Biology. After biology is what? Short break. The short break. After short break? Mathematics. Okay, do you know what? I'll talk to Mr. Mondumi. I'll take you for the biology period. Yes. But you guys are not going for short break. Why? You are lacking behind your syllabus. Even after a short break, I'm taking over the maths period. You're not leaving the school till 3:30. The exam is in 1 week. What are you saying? You want to fail? If you want to
There's
fail,
so many teachers like that. We have them, so many.
So, Vaseline chemical.
That teacher that uses his whole period to tell stories.
Yes. I have about 4 girlfriends. Let me now bust your brain. My middle girlfriend, the main one, that's for last idea. These are their father, their mother, brothers. I supply them Vaseline in their house. So,
I can relate. I can relate. I can relate. They're plenty. You get them that time. For secondary school, don't take shot.
What's that? Long break. Hey, shut up! I'll slap you. Bring out the lesson, no job. You not done anything now. Have you done anything today? Come on, bring out the lesson note. Vaseline chemical, 1. You know that? Hey.
That's one teacher that never dresses properly.
Down break, sir.
Don't break.
Yes, sir.
Is that why you're gallivanting around? Eh? Want to impregnate them?
Impregnate quoi?
Egban. Why you dressed like this? Can't you share their dress? Why you dressed like this?
You don't go collect doggy.
What's this?
Slippers.
Slippers. See and slippers. Pull it. Pull it now. Hey, stupid girl. Go in my office. You go in my office. Idiot. Go in my office.
Go on, you two. You are putting on slippers.
About that. Leave my office. You just for me right 29. Come.
Who was this bra? And what is this doing in our wardrobe? Because you know I don't wear this type of bra.
Babe, this is not a plan now. This is a cab.
Excuse me.
Cab what?
Who's there? Please come inside. Notice, thank God you are here. What is this?
This is an engineering cap now. He looks as if he the boy.
Pluto.
Mama, see chair. I don't return your daughter to you. You no get character. Wash, you know they feel wash. Clean, you know they feel clean. Even cook, you know they feel cook. She want you Singapore, you don't be taking me.
Ha! Eh? Pluto. My pikin want finish you with Singapore noodles. That make you return her. You say you not get character. We know, but you get.
If I no get character, I should stay there with me.
No be worry. If you don't like this, my pikin, I get another one where you go like. Lopez!
Wow.
Rock, follow Pluto. I don't want to lose this kind of man from my house. What?
Mama.
Hold on.
Fine boy, father. How you say data? Fine boy.
Hey, Mama, no worry. The two are the same thing. I just better deal like this. I don't want.
From my safe journey.
Mama, why my car not start?
I open I give you 2 of my beautiful daughters. Make you carry go. You reject her from my face. Make her say as this car will take come up for you.
Oh, yeah, bless you, enter car.
If you come up from area, you go drop out for there now. A very simple thing. Jesus.
Keep your car.
Come down first, now try something. Come down now. Mama, no one. I made it to you enter the car. I know I get the character one feel here. I'll keep on return the other one.
No wala. I be make a yoke come join them.
No, Mama, no worry. 2 of them okay.
Okay. My safe journey, you.
In my car for the okay. Start. No wala. No wala, man.
That's what they do. So my people, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. You love them. And please share this video, subscribe, and see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.